This is Rahim Zulfikar Ali, and welcome to this course which is on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this course is called Microsoft PowerPoint for Beginners, where you will learn a lot of tips and tricks and a lot of amazing features available in the latest version of Microsoft PowerPoint. So I recommend to all the students and professionals who want to do a refresher for the PowerPoint, or they are starting PowerPoint for the very first time, this course is for you. So let's get started. In this first video 1.01, we will be discussing about the Backstage View, which is available in the File tab, and we will explore the available options in the Backstage. So let's get started. For the very first time, when you open a PowerPoint presentation, you will see this kind of user interface where you have one blank slide, and this interface has a quick access toolbar on top left side. On the center you will have the presentation name and a search bar, and on the right side if you have login sign in with your Microsoft account, so you will have that credentials, and then minimize, maximize, and the close button. And then bottom of it, then you have the different tabs available like animations, transitions, home tab. This is called the ribbon style, and then you have one blank slide, right? So let's explore the backstage of this application. So when you click on File tab, you will PowerPoint will let you to a new screen, and this is called the Backstage View, where you can do all the fundamentals related to your presentation. So on the home option, you will see some, you can insert some new presentation slides to your current presentation, or if you have previously opened some presentations, you can access to all those presentations again, or you can just pin some of the presentations if you use them regularly. When you go to the new tab or the new section in this Backstage View, you can the best part is that you can write any topic or any theme name, and any template which will be available on office.com, you can access that and download it directly. So for example, if you want any kind of a template which is related to education, business, infographics, or any other thing, we have some suggested searches, or you can just type it on your own topic. So for example, if I want a theme related to the education, so I just click, and whatever the templates available on office.com, on the Microsoft website, you can see regarding the education, you can find here, and after choosing it, you just click on it, and simply click on create button, and then it will download, right? So instead of creating a presentation from the very basic and from very start, some users download these kind of templates available. Then you have a previously made presentation and you want to open that presentation, you can just go to click on the open section here, and you can integrate your OneDrive account, or you can just add a place, or you can browse your local hard drive to locate that presentation. Then you have the info where you can protect your presentation. There are a lot of features available which we will discuss in the coming videos in detail, where you can apply the encrypt with password, a password which is required to open this presentation. You can add a digital signature, you can mark this presentation as final. Also you can change the properties, or you can set the properties of this PowerPoint presentation as well. You can save this current presentation by just clicking on save and locating the location of where you want to save this presentation. You can make a copy of this presentation by clicking on save as. Let's explore some printing options, because the slide is currently empty in this first video. So we have nothing to see as a preview, but we can explore some of the printing options. So there are different kind of printing options available. When you have a lot of slides on your presentation, you have a choice that how you want to print that presentation, either 2 slides, 3 slides, horizontal or vertical, right? Or you can have the different kind of print layouts available, full page slides, or a notes, or the outline. So sometimes a teacher wants notes pages print layout, and for the students you want to have the full page slides, or 2 slides, or 3 slides with some blank lines, right? Then you have the collated and uncollated kind of categories when you want to print the presentation. And definitely, if you have a color printer, you can go with the color, or if you, when you have the black and white, you can go with the grayscale or pure black and white. So these are some of the presentation printing settings regarding to the presentation. Then you have a sharing option. You can also export the presentation, or you can close this current presentation. The application will remain open. You can click on account, where you can change the your current account settings. Either you have Office 365 subscription or any other kind of different model. You can click on options. When you click on options, the PowerPoint options dialog window will appear, where you can change the advanced settings of this for this application. There are a lot of things to learn in the coming videos regarding all those things, like we can add add-ins, we can change the trust center settings, we can also customize ribbon as well in the PowerPoint. We can also customize the quick access toolbar as well. So there are a lot of things regarding the application you can change around in the options. So this is all about the Backstage View, where you can do all the fundamentals regarding to the application and the presentation. And quickly, I can make a review for you. You can uh, go for a blank presentation, or a template you want. You can open the existing presentation, you can print that presentation, you can save this presentation, and you can share this presentation on the cloud account, or you can go for the advanced options as well. So all the fundamentals we do in a Backstage View in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you.